Hi friend, welcome to resizepng.com. If you want to increase the size of your images in KBs, this is the best solution and the best tool you ever seen. Friend, first of all, you have to visit resizepng.com and right here increase image size and search the tool. So here is the tool increase image size in KB without changing pixels. It means when you increase the size of your image in KB, the pixel of your image will never ever be changed. So I am going to use these two images to increase the KBs. Here you can see AS image and you can see here the dimensions of this image. I'm going to show you the dimensions and you can see here the size of image is 222.7 kb and its dimension is 289 by 404 px. And the second image I am going to use it ASG and its size is 33.4 kb and its dimensions 352 by 508. And now I am going to use it. So choose file and here are these two images AS and ASG and I have selected this and you can see the selected image one size and also the dimension is written here, and I'm going to target the KBs here and I just write here 800 KBs and increase image size. So soon you can see here the size of image have been increased. You can see the size KB. I am going to download it, this one, and it has been downloaded, and this image also will be downloaded. And here now I am going to open and check it, this one, and here I am going to check it how it is. You can see the size have been increased 800 kbs and the dimension have not been increased. So the second image ASG, you can see here the same, the size have been increased to 800 kb as we have entered the value, and the dimension have not been increased. So friend, that is the beauty of this tool, as it will never ever affect on your pixels of your precious image. Thank you.